Danielle from Saunders Motors, and I'm a service advisor. Today we're going to be doing an oil change with one of our technicians, Lloyd. The purpose of an oil change is to maintain and protect your engine from harmful deposits such as moisture and sludge buildup. Here at Saunders Motors, we recommend you change your oil every 6,000 kilometers or every 3 months, whichever comes first. If you're someone who does short commutes, it's actually more important to have regular oil changes done because your vehicle isn't getting properly warmed up, which does cause the condensation in your engine. Keeping up with regular oil changes will improve your gas mileage in your vehicle.